In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Excel chart versus link it in Word. By the end, you'll understand the difference between a static, self-contained chart and one that stays connected to your data and updates automatically. Plus, you'll see exactly how to do both. Let's start with embedding, which gives you a snapshot of the chart that does not change later. In Excel, click once on the chart to select it so you see the selection handles around the edges. Press Ctrl+C to copy it. Now switch to your Word document and click exactly where you want the chart to appear. Paste it in, either with Ctrl+V or by right-clicking and choosing Paste. That's it. You've embedded the chart. Because it's embedded, Word keeps a copy of that chart inside the document itself. Changing the numbers or formatting in the original Excel file won't affect this chart. This is ideal when you want a permanent record of what the chart looked like at a specific time, or when you plan to share the Word document on its own without worrying about keeping it connected to the Excel source. Just keep in mind that embedding can increase your Word file size if the chart is complex. Now let's link the chart so it updates when your Excel data changes. In Excel, select the same chart and press Ctrl+C again. Switch to Word, go to the Home tab, open the Paste drop-down, and choose Paste Special. In the dialog that appears, select Paste Link and then choose Microsoft Excel Chart Object. Click OK. You now have a linked chart in Word. This chart remains connected to the original Excel workbook, so when the data or chart formatting changes in Excel, the Word chart reflects those changes. This is the best choice for reports or presentations that you update regularly because you only need to maintain the data in one place. A few practical notes to help you choose the right method. If you plan to email the Word document by itself and you want the chart to remain exactly as it is, embedding is the safest option. If you need the chart to stay current, linking saves time and keeps things accurate, but make sure the Excel file stays in a consistent, accessible location. If the workbook is moved, renamed, or unavailable, the link may not update until the connection is restored. That's all there is to it. Embed for a fixed snapshot, link for automatic updates. Use the method that best fits your workflow and how you share your documents.